The Overconfidence Effect. Why we think we are better than we are. By Barman Azadfar. Narrator, Brian Wilson.
Have you ever made a decision with absolute certainty only to find out later that it was wrong? This mental trap is called the overconfidence effect. In this bias, our level of confidence in our judgments and abilities far exceeds what is actually justified. A sense of mastery replaces careful judgment. This phenomenon usually appears in three ways. We overestimate our abilities, we show overprecision in our predictions, and we assume we are better than others. To maintain a positive self-image and reduce anxiety, the mind tends to make exaggerated assessments. In a well-known survey, 93% of drivers claim to have above-average skills. This claim is statistically impossible. This example shows how the mind can create a convincing but unrealistic self-image. Consequently, risks are underestimated, warnings are ignored, and consulting others seems unnecessary. Such confidence can lead to costly decisions in politics, economics, and management. The way out is to practice cognitive humility and check external evidence. We must ask ourselves, is my confidence based on real data and experience, or is it just a feeling? Until we accept the possibility of being wrong, we cannot make wise decisions or see reality as it truly is.